Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I've done over 3,000 reviews, posted, 2,993 today. When you're seeing this, it's not gonna jibe correctly, but yeah, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. It's gonna be okay. Today I've got one from the United States, from Trader Joe's. This is one of the new Trader Joe's cups. I know people were really curious about these. Pretty like 99 to 200% absolutely positive. These are Mike's Mighty Good cups. There's like no way it could be anything else. From the Here's what their sachets look like. They also come with a sachet of oil. And then they come with a very unmistakable blobby noodle block. So, not only that, it takes 6 minutes. 6 minutes steep time. So, it's the same stuff. Do we add everything in first? Okay. Yes, we do. Drop this in. And then we got the Earl, which I believe is like canola or sunflower oil. It's really nothing. I can look at that while it's steeping to see whether or not it's actually flavored. So I can look at it right now. Oil. Yeah, sunflower oil. Okay, now where's that pesky line? Man, it's so hard to see. Being legally blind doesn't really help one bit when it comes to seeing these lines, but I can see it there. Alright, let's do this. Lid on. Oh, come on. 6 minutes. It said to give it a little quick stir. A gentle stir. Shh. Oh, hi, Noodles. Shh. Gentle. Just like I tell my little almost 2-year-old daughter. It's like, no. Don't punch in the face. Gentle to the dog. Gentle. He doesn't like being punched in the face. Yeah, really. Although, he's a pug. He really doesn't care. I don't know if all pugs are that way, but Otis, yeah, he's a good boy. He can be really stupid, but as far as children and dogs go, I want to say right now that they would have to like literally put their hands into his mouth and push his jaw upward. And he's 15 and has lost a lot of teeth, so it would be pretty hard for them actually even to get bit if they did that. So, but no, he doesn't even nip at him. They try to ride him like a pony, all sorts of craziness. We try to discourage that, of course, but yeah, he's a good boy. Good to the children. So what is going on this Wednesday? Hey, Miles! What you doing? Hey, Miles! You want to be on the video? Here you go. Here's your chance. I don't think he wants to be on the video currently. I think he's saving it all for the spicy noodle mukbang, which is actually, by the time you're seeing this, it'll be out already. Doing a spicy noodle mukbang today. Following this, I'm gonna do another review video, and then the product of that review video will be what's used in the spicy noodle mukbang. And actually, it's this stuff. Pedas Giller from Maggi, Malaysia. Pedas means spicy and Giller means crazy, so it's crazy spicy. This one is ayam bakar. I don't know what bakar is, but I know ayam is chicken. So. Ayam bakar. Ayam bakar. Yeah, so wish me luck on that. Although you're in the future, you already know what happened. All this temporal mechanics stuff is just really messing with my head. Because here's how it goes. And I know I've done this before, but I figure it's logical to every once in a while kind of do a refresher. So today is October 17th. This will probably come out, this video that I'm recording right now, that you're watching with your eyes, will probably come out November 9th, November 8th. I want to say November 9th. That's how far ahead I am. And then the actual post, so I just posted review number 2993 today. This is going to be review number 3073. So that's like 80 reviews from now. So 80 days out, this actual post with the whole actual review, the score, everything will show up on the site. Now, if I do the mukbang today, that'll probably come out. I'm trying to get a new mukbang to come out every Friday. And that would be October 19th. So we got what? October 19th, November 9th, and jeez. I could ask Alexa, but Alexa, what is the date 80 days from now? January 5th, a Saturday. So yeah, that's it's a ways out. And usually the post that came up today on the site, I believe, I know Review 3000 I did July 28th of 2018. And it's November 17th. So, yeah, it's there's always a big cushion, because if, say, something happens, we want to move, we want to do anything, we have that much buffer space, which is nice. Coming from a publishing standpoint, having content on deck for any contingency. The only thing that I don't have content on deck for are top 10s, which would kind of defeat the purpose. What I do is when I do a top 10, I usually do the next one along with it and just consider, okay, this is the top 10 all the way up to review number, like, I think the last ones was top 10 Taiwan and top 10 American, and those both state that these are the top 10 of all time up to review 2943. So I want to say I did the video for that in August. Top 10 Taiwan came out in September. Top 10 USA came out in October 1st. Something like that. So, now you know that's how things go in the world of the Ramen Raider. So here we have the noodle. Now this one is vegan. However, I can tell you right now that the finished product I'm going to wind up with is definitely not going to be vegan. But I'm going to taste it now. This is how I review. Tasting the product with no adulteration by me. Broth. Again, this is miso. Definitely red miso. I don't know why, but red miso tends to be the one that American brands levitate toward or gravitate to. And I really am just not a big fan of red miso, unfortunately. However, the noodle's not bad. Let's go slow on this. I want this to remain pretty. Okay, come on. There's a bunch of seaweed hanging out at the bottom of the cup. That's what that is, right? Yeah, that's what you are. Yeah, anyways, that's kind of sludgy. Not thrilled with the seaweed component, but you know. Oh, that's not seaweed. That's miso that didn't mix in right. Nah. I did everything it said. Okay. Well, as I said, this is not going to be vegan. Let's do it up in the style I see fit. The wacky food styling's up. Alright, there's one down. Egg number 1 of the day. And put you on your side. Give you a try this way. I keep having trouble figuring out how to cut these eggs. They don't want to. Oh, that's better. Okay, that might be it. Get back in there. Oh, come on. Don't be a pain in the butt. Miles is in there. Come on. Come on. Oh, really? Dude. Dude, really? He's out there just like going, really? Dude. Love that. That's my boy. Okay. Oh, you want to see? Here. There we go. Yeah, see that there? That drives me nuts. And when I do these eggs up and I throw them in the fridge, they just kind of get mad. They're best the first day, but it's like I really don't wanna. I don't wanna make eggs every freaking day. So there's certain things that I will allow for. Let's get this noodle a little more buoyant. It's tough sometimes because it's like the chashu doesn't want to cooperate, and then like the amount of noodle in this is just like really weird. Okay, and then we got a little bit of mung bean sprout. Spring onion, get over there. Yeah. And from the most recent, I think the most recent, yeah, umai crate. Check that out. That's like this curry. Angry habanero curry togarashi. I'm like, yeah, baby, that's cool. They're doing all sorts of neat new add-ons in the umai crate, so you haven't heard, that's the word. And there we go. I'm gonna call that a neat looking little bowl of noodles. What are you gonna call it? What are you gonna call it? I'm gonna cut you. No, not you, Miles. Anyway. Anyways, yeah. Old bowl of miso. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you like this video, click like. Please subscribe. I really dig that. Here is the sound of my child. That's Miles. I think you can probably hear that. Hey Miles, look! What's this? Hey! Oh, come on! He doesn't want him. Alright. Have a good one. Bye.